today, I want to just spend a few minutes focusing in particular about what he has said and what he has done to women and girls. Because, you know, any of you see the debates? You know, I stood next to Donald for 4.5 hours during those 3 debates, proving conclusively I have the stamina to be president of the United States. And during those debates, you know, Donald always used to say, "Oh, what have you been doing for 30 years?" And I always found that kind of odd because he could Google it and find out. And so, you know, I've been a lawyer, and I've been a first lady, and I've been a senator, and I've been Secretary of State, and I've been a wife and a mother and a grandmother and a friend and a churchgoer. And for my entire life, I've been a woman.